Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to contact Amazon customer service right from your PC in 2025. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more fast tech tips. All right, let's jump in. Start by heading to Amazon.com, then scroll down and click Customer Service at the bottom. Next, hit the Something Else option to dig deeper, followed by Contact Us to open your support choices. You've got options: request a phone call or chat with a rep, but go for Chat with Us for the best vibe. Click Start Chatting Now and you're connected. Have your order details ready before you start. It speeds things up. Once you're done, check your email for a chat summary, and that's it. You've successfully reached Amazon customer service. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll catch you in the next one.